Okay, 3a, all right. Look, this is as standard as it gets. You've had this in your notes, it's a basic skill. But you're watching the video, so I suppose I need to show you or give you a hint about what to do. So when you're simplifying surds like this, as with the examples in your notes, you take the original thing and you multiply by the same thing on the top and the bottom. And the thing you multiply by is based on looking at the bottom and making one change to that. So we've got two surd multiplications to do, one for the top and one for the bottom. So you do a grid for the top and you do a grid for the bottom, and then you do the top over the bottom and you do any simplification, and it tells you it's got to come down to this. So there may be some cancelling down to be done. P and Q are integers. That means we want a whole number here and a whole number here. Okay. All right, part B. Express root 45 in the form n root 5. So we're simplifying a surd. So root 45 is going to be the square root of something times something. Okay, and it's a pretty good guess, since the answer comes out with root 5, what the second something is going to be. So that goes into the square root of something times the square root of something, which simplifies to a whole number times the square root of 5. That should not be hard. Now we've got to solve this equation, and look, there's a root 45 in this equation. I've just done something with root 45. Oh, I've just turned root 45 into something times root 5, and this has got a root 5 on it already. So it isn't rocket science to think what I might be having to do with that root 20. Okay, so do that with root 20 and you're going to have an equation. Okay, and if you do it right, there is going to be something you're going to be able to divide that equation by, which will make it look a whole lot easier and enable you to find x. The only unknown is x. Okay, but if you express all of these surd expressions in a similar kind of format, then you can simplify very radically, very quickly. I hope that helps.